This part work has been supplied to me free of charge from DeAgostini. If you'd like to build along, pop along to DeAgostini.com where you can order one for your very own. They also have several other part work build-up models that you can build for everything from cars to boats and everything in between. So I'd like to thank them very much for giving me the opportunity to build this so you can all watch and see exactly how it all goes together. Hello, I'm Chris, this is Gross Models. Welcome to issue 100 of building the Ford GT. It's 100, it's not finished yet. It's a bigger than 100 issues part work, but we're getting there. We've got the big rear end in this issue, although we're not going to be fitting it yet. But let's have a look through. We've got the Ford GT Heritage Edition Tribute. I like the red and white go well with it. Makes it look Ferrari-like. But yeah, I'm growing. The colours are growing on me. Now I'm building more of the bodywork parts. They're definitely growing on me. But yeah, different colours would be quite cool. There we go. So yes, this is what we've got. And this is what we're going to be doing. We're going to be putting on the part from a couple of issues back. The side, I can't remember what they call it now. What do they call it? The rocker panel. I don't know why it's a rocker panel, but it is. We're fitting one rocker panel and a little bit to the bonnet as well. That's what we're going to do. Then I think next time we're fitting the other rocker panel, maybe even fitting the bonnet as well. But, before we get to that, we've got to do this bit. So let me clear this out of the way and let's get on with it. So today's part, I have taken it out of the box because I'm going to want to put it on there at some point just to see how it looks. It's very heavy. It's very nice. The paint and decals on it are all obviously very, very well done anyway. So let me move that out of the way for now because we're not doing that yet. We're doing this. I've opened the packet of this as well. We've got that. We've got some screws to attach it, and we've got this plastic bit that I'm completely unsure of. That's what we're going to be doing first. We're fitting that to the bonnet there, and it goes into these two holes there. Now I can't make out from the instructions which way round it goes because it's basically it's an L shape. It's got a big bit and a little bit, and it will go in either way round. Slightly bad design in that either way would fit. I would have made it so one was slightly bigger than the other, or indeed make it slightly curved or something, but it appears that it will go in either way. I don't know which way to do it. If it was leaning backwards at a slight angle, then I'd be happier. Actually, maybe it is. I'm going to put it on that way round. It's not, it's transparent, so it's not exactly a highly visible piece anyway. I don't know exactly what it's for. I mean, it's where are we? This is a right-hand drive, so it's driver's side. So maybe it's something to do with stopping stuff getting in the way, or I don't know. But yeah, that just pushes in place, and that is that. So that's another part done on there. I'll move that out of the way. Then we need to fit the rocker bar in place, and that goes onto our car itself, obviously. So let's bring in the car. This is going on this side, so it fits on there, basically like that. Let's have a look. Yeah, it goes in there like so. There are 4 screws that hold it in place from the underside, and 2 little brackets at the top that look like they lock into place on that metal framework there. So yeah, that sort of locks in place at the top and then screws in place underneath. So I'll get the 4 screws in the bottom and we'll see how that looks once that's assembled. Right, that wasn't much fun. It's very tight going in there. It needs to be under a couple of notches at the top and under the black bit at the bottom. I thought it was going over the top, but it's not. It's got to go underneath. I've actually loosened the screws that hold this top panel down to give that little bit of movement there. I can't get to them now to tighten them up again, but I mean, it's still tight because it's held in place by this. But that is that now on there. I am not looking forward to the next issue when I think I'll do the same thing on the other side. But at least now I know what to expect. So yeah, the door obviously now opens. It's got the runner underneath it. So yeah, that's it. Another issue done, and it's all coming together. So next time we'll be doing the same on the other side, and I think we're putting the front end on as well. So won't be long before we get the back end on, and it all looks lovely. So thank you very much for watching. Stay safe. I'll see you soon for more. Bye bye for now.